I'm gonna build a shelf for this. I'm gonna use this piece of plywood to build this shelf. This was actually gonna be a chair, but it turned out to be super uncomfortable and kind of violating to sit on. So I'm gonna use it for this instead, but any little piece of scrap you have lying around will work. Brad nails and glue to get this all put together temporarily, and then I'll reinforce it with screws. I'm using Titebond 3 because I'm gonna store this circular saw outside. Just kidding. It's just what I grabbed, so it'll work. Oh, what happened there? That mostly fixed it. Okay. I'm gonna attach this little piece last with a little bit of CA glue. This is what's gonna create the stop that this will rest on as I sit this on there. Very cool, very cool. All right. Okay. I'm also going to put a couple of brads through this little stop to make sure it doesn't come off. I'm just a little bit worried about it. Okay, now I'm just going to bondo these screw holes, bondo that little gap there, bondo, 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 sand, 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 paint, 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 and this will be a good little thing. Looks good, works good, and like all great shelves, it's got a hidden snack compartment. Thanks for watching.